Hello buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can change your Simpin on your Motorola Moto G72. You might want to change your Simpin so it's easier to remember. Normally these Simpins are like just random numbers, and I personally think it's way too complicated. I always change mine to something I can remember. So if I have to restart my phone and I'm not home, I actually can restart my phone because I know my Simpin. So in order to do so, you go to your settings and then go to security and then go down to SIM card lock. SIM card lock require PIN to use phone. You want to keep that on because if your phone is shut down and someone else is turning it on, they don't need to put in the SIM pin in order to start the phone. So you want to keep that on just to secure your phone a bit more. And then you go to change SIM pin. Now you put in your old SIM pin, and then after you put in your old SIM pin, you put in your new SIM pin, and then retype your new pin. And then pin changed successfully. So now if your phone is shut down and you start it again, or if you have to restart it, then you put in your new SIM pin. That's how you change your SIM pin on your Motorola Moto G72. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.